Welcome to a journey through the heart of Eastern Nigeria. Today, we embark on a road trip from the vibrant city of Enugu to the enchanting landscapes of Abakaliki in Ebonyi State. As we prepare for this adventure, make sure you are charged and your spirit high because we are about to explore the rich culture, breathtaking scenery, and the road of Enugu to Ebonyi. Our journey begins on the well-maintained Enugu to Abakaliki highway, a scenic route that takes us through the lush greenery of Eastern Nigeria. Buckle up and let the adventure unfold. Ebonyi State has something for everyone. Stay tuned as we continue on the journey. To your right is Port Harcourt Road, straight east to Abakaliki. We keep going straight. Whether you are a seasoned traveler, a first-time explorer intending to travel to Ebonyi State, or curious to know the current state of the road from Enugu to Ebonyi, or you want to know more and explore Ebonyi State, this video is for you and other videos that will follow. Click on the subscribe and the notification button below if you have not subscribed to this channel so that when we post a new video, you can be notified. Distance between Enugu and Ebonyi by car is 71 kilometers or 44 miles. To travel this distance by car, you need 96 minutes, that is about 1 hour 30 minutes. But fret not because the captivating scenery and the road landmark will keep us busy and entertained throughout. Enugu, the core city of Nigeria, holds within its embrace a tale of resilience, culture, and progress. Once a bustling coal mining hub that fueled the nation's growth, today Enugu stands as a vibrant city, a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people. As we traverse the Enugu part of the road, let's take a glimpse into its past. Founded in 1909, Enugu became a pivotal center for coal production, shaping the economic landscape of Nigeria. The echoes of its mining legacy linger in the air, whispering stories of toil, triumph, and transformation. Beyond its industrial roots, Enugu is a cultural haven. The city proudly boasts theaters, museums, and festivals that celebrate the richness of Igbo traditions. From the vibrant Obeite main market to the serene Ahun waterfall, every corner tells a story of the city's diverse heritage. The inhabitants are primarily members of the Igbo nation. So, as we leave the city behind, remember the story of Enugu, a city that rose from the depths of the earth to reach new heights. Its history, culture, and the spirit of its people will linger in our heart as we journey towards the enchanting landscape of Abakaliki. As we bid farewell to the city lights of Enugu, our journey ventures into the heart of Ebonyi State, nestled in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Ebonyi unveils itself as a treasure trove of natural wonders and cultural splendors. Along the way, as the evening sets in, we pass through charming local markets where you can experience the vibrant colors, sounds, and flavors of the region. As we continue our journey, you will discover the natural wonders that make Ebonyi truly special. Abakaliki, the capital of Ebonyi State, is located in the southeastern part of Nigeria. It houses the tertiary institution known as Ebonyi State University. The ethnic people of Ebonyi are of the Igbo tribe and speak their indigenous dialect of the Igbo language. Our path through Ebonyi is like flipping through the pages of a lush green storybook. Here, nature and artistry comes alive, inviting us to witness the raw, untamed elegance of the land. So, as we continue our road trip, let the story of Ebonyi linger in your heart, a story told by the road landscapes as you are seeing, the traditions and the resilient spirit of a place that truly stands as one of the Nigerian's hidden gems. As the twilight deepened, our headlights guided us through the journey, a place where tradition meets modernity. The night journey continued as we discovered the natural wonders that make Ebonyi truly special. We arrive in Abakaliki, the capital of Ebonyi State, as the city lights began to sparkle against the evening sky. The city welcomes us with open arms, offering a blend of modern infrastructure and traditional charm. As the clock ticked towards night time, the sun set over Abakaliki, casting a warm glow on our journey from Enugu to Ebonyi. This is more than a road trip. It's an exploration of culture, nature, and the vibrant spirit of Eastern Nigeria. Whether you are a seasoned traveler or a first-time explorer, Ebonyi has something for everyone. So pack your bags, hit the road, and visit Ebonyi State. And that is what we just did, traveling to Ebonyi State. And this is what you get in this channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe and the notification button below so that you'll be notified anytime we post our traveling video. So finally, we are in Ebonyi State. Hope you like this video. Please give us a thumb up by clicking the like button, comment and share this video. Stay tuned as we explore Ebonyi State in the next video. Thank you and see you in our next video.